I can feel the electricity arcing at 1/2 meter from it. So I can actually feel it in the air, tingling. So all I've done, if I can focus, is attached 2 sewing needles to the wires. And I can hear it hissing. I don't know where the hissing is coming from, if the hissing is coming from the transformer or not. But it's hooked up to a 5-volt battery. This 5-volt battery. It's not a solid connection because you lose every connection you have, you lose energy. So I've got it connected by these things to the my homemade additional USB connection. So yeah, that works. Now that is enough power going through it right now to act like a stun gun. If you were to stab that into someone at that's probably about 1/2 centimeter. You get a tape measure actually, measure that. Yeah, it started going a bit mental now. Right, that is measuring, it's about a centimetre I think. It's a metal thing, I don't want to zap myself with it. That's roughly a centimetre. Yeah, that is, so a centimetre gap between sewing needles. Focus, there we go. Let me see if I can see it better. Yeah, it won't focus on it. There we go. Oh, you get focused. That was fun. Well, the 15 minutes of video footage, I can't show you it because my camera deleted all the footage. And I was doing it for